Good afternoon, friends. This is time for the midday update, and the market has been choppy and volatile, but now seems to be giving up ground. And for starters, I think this trend line, which is joining these several lows, this could come into the picture. So, in case this trend line goes, then there's a bigger problem. But for the moment, this trend line seems to be in place. For the moment, you should be out of all long positions on swing as well as day trading basis. And what you can do is probably have 13,000 10th December puts, which are available for about 120, 130. And in case this develops into a larger fall, then those puts will hedge you. Long-term portfolios, you can still hold on. The market is picking up momentum. So that way, I think the risk of a bigger correction is on the table because we have turned from the broadly upper end of the range, which is about 13,150 to about 13,200. Similarly, on the bank Nifty, it appears that 30,000 is not likely to get crossed in a hurry. So even on the bank Nifty, you have a trend line where the market could go in the short term. Now, sometimes these things they tend to turn the very next day. Now that is difficult to say. I think if I can see it correctly, Bank Nifty is breaking the trend line. So this is now accelerating to the downside. So that is not good news for the Nifty or the Bank Nifty. Having said that, I think there is FII selling today because HDFC Bank, Kotak, everything is coming under the hammer, and this can very quickly accelerate into a bigger correction. So all hands on deck and just move to the side and take some put positions if you have to. On individual stocks, I think banks are weak, so pressure will be on banking. So all of these, Kotak Mahindra and HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank could see some downside. So those could be your calls on the short side. But overall, I think the big FII plays are at risk. So that will be all. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor and be safe because the market seems a bit menacing right now.